Go sa birthday.
Happy birthday, GC na. Then my cousin, my best friend, Shine.
Oh, Shine. And then?
Is babae.
Okay.
Si Shine.
Shine. Okay.
Happy birthday, si Shine.
So, sabay sila birthday.
Yeah, sabay.
Okay. So, kanta ka na happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shine, then kuya.
Okay. Kanta.
Ay, hindi kaya.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Kuya GC.
Then Shine.
Shine is your friend?
Yeah. Kuya asal sa
How
akin.
old is Shine?
It is 7 na.
7 years old?
Yeah, 7. Yeah,
Like you? Are you 7 years old? Or
hindi.
6?
6. Still 6.
Oh.
Ang layo my birthday.
Saan bahay ni Shine?
Ipunta sa labas yung tindahan sa ikot.
Hindi.
And then you walk opposite them. Then iba
Right.
Shine.
Right?
Yan.
Left? Ikot. Oh. So, malayo. So, layo pala.
Hindi. Hindi. Lapit sa bahay sa akin.
Okay. Yeah.